This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Monica Swanson. Immaculate and gorgeous 2-story 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with a den office space allowing you to work from home. Located in the Chatham Walk community of Ruskin. This home features an open concept floor plan, with a large kitchen with energy-efficient appliances, water filtration system, solid wood cabinets, spacious granite countertops, and a breakfast bar. The first floor primary bedroom boasts a spacious walk-in closet and dual sinks. The upstairs hosts a loft area / playroom as well as 4 additional bedrooms. High ceilings and the bright great room opens up through the sliding glass doors onto the covered patio and large fenced backyard. This home features a 2-car garage with added storage. This absolutely gorgeous home is practically brand new. The community offers wonderful amenities with a pool, playground, dog park, tranquil ponds and nature trails throughout the community. Close to Ruskin's Little Harbor Resort and Marina, for example Simmons Park, and Apollo Beach, which provides for boating, fishing, swimming, and watching the stunning sunsets on the beach. Located just minutes from restaurants, shopping and major highways. Schedule your private visit today. Additional photos coming. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Swanson at 813-296-1393.